Our Old Delhi walking tours are conducted by Truly India Travel Delhi locals living in Delhi. It's a combination of food, heritage and cultural experience with walking and cycle rickshaw rides. It is an authentic and unique experience of the eaten beaten path and a feast for all the senses. In the Old Delhi tour, you will walk through the inconspicuous lanes and streets of Old Delhi and also enjoy panoramic views. To add a little adventure, we will ride rickshaws and visit local attractions exclusive to Old Delhi and also visit Asia's largest spice market where your senses will get alive. We will also try some unique street food items which Old Delhi has preserved in her heart. Interact with business owners who are doing business here from several generations, meet with local residents and understand their way of life with a visit to one of the last standing Havelis in Old Delhi. Full day tour. Duration 6.5-7 hours. Full day tour includes Old Delhi local breakfast, some safe street food tasting, temple visit, heritage and bazaar walk. Participate in local activities and interact with locals. Cycle rickshaw